Hello, my friends. How are you? My friends, this video is for us to improve the pronunciation. Okay? Today, I'm gonna teach you some words about the vocabulary about birthdays. Okay? So let's go. This first one, gift. Gift. Can you repeat? Gift. Good job. Birthday cake. Birthday cake. Every time we have the TH together, our tongue go between our teeth. Birthday cake. Okay? Candles. Candles. Birthday hat. Birthday hat. Table cloth. See the TH again? Table cloth. Plates. Fork. Cups. Okay? Practice. It's not difficult. All we have to do is practice. If you have a question, let me know. Bye-bye.